Okay, so the winner of the Comet frame giveaway did not respond within 48 hours to claim their prize, so I'm going to pick another winner. So just keep in mind that if you see this video, you need to respond and follow the instructions in the description and respond within 48 hours. Otherwise, I will have to be I'll have to pick another winner at that point. So load up the video here and comment again. And let's go ahead and pick somebody. Okay, so we have a correct response here, entry, and let's just check his subscription. Okay, so there I am. So this guy, Dave Malcolm, he qualifies and he has won. So congratulations, Dave. You have 48 hours from the publication of this video to follow the instructions down below. I need to be able to contact you so I can get this prize over to you. I need basically your shipping address information so I can give it to HobbyMade and they can ship this frame out to you. So congratulations, Dave. Hopefully I'll get in touch with you soon.